Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 5.8 question number 5. A diagonal is a line segment that joins any two vertices of the polygon and is not a side of the polygon. Draw a rough sketch of a pentagon and draw its diagonals. Let us draw a pentagon. Pentagon means 5 sides, right? So we are drawing a pentagon with 5 sides like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? Now if we name them, that is A, this is B, this is C, D and E, right? These are the 5 names of the pentagons. Now if I join two vertices, any two vertices, suppose I am drawing join vertices E with B, then diagonals are diagonals are one diagonal is EB or BE, EB, right? Again we are joining A with D, right? And A with D, then we are getting A with D, another vertices. Therefore, it is getting AD. AD is also a diagonal. A, D is also another diagonal. Next, we join A with C. A with C. There is another diagonal. That is AC. AC. 3 diagonals we got. Now we can join also DB. That is another diagonal DB. And if we join E with C, there is another diagonal EC. Right? These are the different diagonals, that is AB, AD, AC, DB and EC. Right? The question was, a diagonal is a line segment that joins any two vertices of the polygon and is not a side of the polygon. Draw a rough sketch of a pentagon and draw its diagonal. Here we have drawn a pentagon, that is pentagon is 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And draw its diagonals. Diagonals means two sides, two vertices of the polygon but not the side of a polygon, right? That is EB, one diagonal, AD, another diagonal, AC, another diagonal, DB, another diagonal, EC, another diagonal. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 diagonals in this case, right? This is the solution of question number 5, exercise 5.8. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.